Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and tonight I'm back with another awesome video here. Today I'm showing you guys my two brand new United NG model aircraft, the Boeing 737 MAX 10. The future is SAF livery here, and then the United 737 MAX 8 in the AV8 livery. Two I've been waiting to have for a very long time now. You guys can go check out JH Hedges for awesome model aircraft on the website there. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and take a look here. As you guys can see all the detail on these boxes here, let's appreciate this. All the work that NG does. I think the box does matter though, especially if you're a collector. GE Aerospace here. That's super cool. I think this is an actual aircraft flying these days that you can fly as a passenger on. I first thought these were just like test aircraft. So I've just been like really confused, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, apparently they're flying passengers now. So the 737 MAX 10 and the 787-9, if I'm correct. So pretty cool, guys. I will be getting the 737-9 too from JH Wings, so stay tuned. NG models, guys. Oh wow, guys, this aircraft is amazing. Look at this. I've never had a 737 MAX 10. Look at this thing, it's so long. That is so cool. All right, let's get a little closer here. Look at the detail on that. Let's get back into the light here. The future is SAF. There we go. Look at the details on this, guys. Just speechless. What a cool looking aircraft. Guys, I'll probably say cool like 20 times here. Look at this livery. Iconic, that's all I gotta say. Sorry for the dirty table, guys, here. It actually is clean. I've wiped it down a bunch of times here. I just have ATL set up over here, so we're currently getting ready for the next update on that. But yeah, guys. United Explorer livery here, guys. Let's check out the bottom of this plane. Look at that. Oh, it's even got a spot for a stand, looks like. Look at that. Well, thank you, NG models. United Explorer livery, guys. There you have it. Let's get to the AV8 livery now. Let's check out the AV8 box quick too, and then we'll open each of these. Super cool. AV8 is the program for becoming a pilot through United Airlines, if you guys don't know. So that's what AV8 is. So super cool. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into this review. All right, guys, here we have the United 737 MAX 8 AV8 livery. Look at that. Beautiful. Holy cow. NG really honestly outdid themselves with this one. Look at that. Super detailed. Really impressive here, guys. Ton of United aircraft coming to the Model Airport Nation fleet here. I think the two airlines that need to buff up here is United Airlines and American. So those are kind of the two. We have a ton of Alaska ones now, so we're doing pretty good. But yeah, United and American are those two. Looking pretty good. Antennas on top. Let's see both compared here, guys. Amazing. Details on the wings. Awesome. About the shininess on the front cowl, the engine cowl there. Overall, pretty good job. I honestly have nothing bad to say about this model. Really happy with both of these. So, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video and update here of these airplanes. You guys can also check out jhwings.com for more awesome model aircraft. So go check them out, guys. Link in the bio below.